This actually happened to me. Driving home late one night. Highway, dark, doing 70 miles per hour. Dashboard lights up, tire pressure warning. I had no idea if it was a slow leak or a blowout about to happen. That panic, that helplessness. That's why this video exists. I found 10 car gadgets on Amazon that solve real problems. Problems every driver faces. One of them would have warned me 20 miles earlier. And number 1 is the gadget that has saved me from being stranded twice. No gimmicks, no junk. 10 things that actually work. Let's go. Number 10. Kaistyle MagSafe car mount. Number 10. Try something for me. Next time you get in your car, try attaching your phone mount with one hand. Yeah, disaster, right? This is the Kaistyle MagSafe car mount. 20 built-in magnets. Place your iPhone near it. Snap. One hand, 1 second, eyes on the road. VHB adhesive base will not fall off. Not in summer heat, not on bumpy roads, not ever. 360 rotation. iPhone 12 to iPhone 17. Perfect for Uber and Lyft drivers. Amazon's choice. 25,000 reviews. 4.5 stars. $9.99. Link in description. Number 9. Costs less than a cup of coffee, and you're going to want 4 of them. Number 9. Amooca Headrest Hooks 4-pack. Where does your purse go when you're driving? Passenger seat. Slides every time you brake. Floor. Gets dirty. Back seat. Can't reach it. This is the Amooca Headrest Hook 4-pack. Clips onto your headrest bar. 2 seconds. No tools. Now hang your purse, gym bag, groceries, kids' school bags, umbrella, water bottles, everything. Off the floor, organized, secure. Each hook holds 55 pounds. 360-degree rotation. Hides under headrest when not in use. Fits virtually every car, SUV, and truck made. Number 1 bestseller in its category. 65,000 reviews. 4.6 stars. Highest rated product on this entire list. $6.99 for all 4. Just add these to cart right now. Link below. Number 8. When did your car last smell actually amazing? Number 8. Chemical Guys Vanilla Bean Air Freshener. When did your car last smell genuinely amazing? Not that pine tree from 2022. I mean, actually incredible. This is the Chemical Guys Vanilla Bean Air Freshener. Chemical Guys is the most trusted car care brand in America. Every car show, every detail shop, every serious enthusiast. This doesn't just cover bad smells. Patented odor eliminator enzymes. It kills the bad smell at the source, then replaces it with fresh vanilla ice cream. I'm not exaggerating. That's exactly what it smells like. Now, 4.2 stars. You might wonder why. I read through hundreds of reviews. You know what most complaints are? It smells so good I started using it in my house too. That's the complaint. Smells too good. $11. 16 full ounces. Link below. Number 7. Open your trunk in your head right now. Number 7. Deosk Car Trunk Organizer. Be honest. Open your trunk, in your head. What does it look like right now? I'll wait. Grocery bags rolling everywhere. Jumper cables tangled with sports gear. That thing you've been meaning to take out for 3 months. Yeah, I've been there. This is the Deosk Car Trunk Organizer. 50 liters. 6 separate pockets. Groceries stay upright, every time. Tools have a place. Sports gear stays put. Your trunk, actually organized. 600D waterproof. Spills wipe off instantly. Folds flat when you don't need it. Any car, SUV, truck, or minivan. Amazon's choice. 5,900 reviews. 4.5 stars. $12.33. Link below. Number 6. For everyone who cares how their car actually looks. Number 6. Oesee 4-pack wheel brush kit. You wash your car, you vacuum inside, but look at your wheels. Really look. That dark buildup, brake dust, road grime, baked into every crack. No regular sponge gets that out. This is the Oesee 4-pack wheel brush kit. 4 professional brushes, 1 complete system, 2 soft woolly brushes, rim surface, 1 detailing brush, lug nut cavities, 1 stiff brush, tire sidewall. Fibers bend 360 degrees. Every angle, every crevice. Brake dust? Gone. Road grime? Gone. Gray film on your rims? Gone. Metal-free, scratch-free, all wheel types. Amazon's choice. 4.5 stars. $16.99. All 4 brushes. Link below. Number 5. Charging 3 devices in your car at the same time. Number 5. Anker 167.5 watts 3-port car charger. How many devices need charging in your car right now? Phone, AirPods, maybe a tablet. 1 port, 3 devices, 1 winner. Everyone else waits. This is the Anker 167.5 watts 3-port car charger. Anker, Number 1 most trusted charging brand in America. 167 watts. Smaller than your thumb. Port 1, 100 watts USB-C. MacBook Pro from 0 to 50% in 47 minutes. In your car. Port 2, 45 watts. Fast charges iPhone 17 or Samsung S24. Port 3, 22.5 watts. Everything else. 3 devices. All fast charging. Simultaneously. No arguments. No waiting. Overall pick on Amazon. 4.8 stars. $33.99. Includes cable. 18-month warranty. Link below. Number 4. This one takes me back to that night I told you about. Number 4. Tymate TM7 Tire Pressure Monitor. Remember that night I told you about? Highway. Dark. 70 miles per hour. Tire pressure warning. Alone. That panic. Not knowing if I should stop or keep going. This is what I didn't have. That I have now. The Tymate TM7 Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Real-time pressure and temperature. All 4 tires. On a color LCD screen on your dashboard. Always visible. Always updated. Not just a warning light. Exact numbers. Exact tire. Exact problem. Miles before it becomes dangerous. 4 wireless sensors. 1 on each valve cap. 6 alarm modes. Low pressure. High pressure. Fast leakage. High temperature. Low battery. Signal lost. You know something is wrong before you feel it in the steering wheel. Over 600 people die every year in America from tire-related accidents. Most of them completely preventable. Plugs into cigarette lighter. 0 wiring. 2 bonus USB ports for charging. All vehicles. 0 to 87 PSI. $35.99. Not a gadget. A safety investment. Link below. Number 3. Required by federal law in every new car since 2018. Number 3. NOCO backup camera. LK3. Most people don't know this. Since 2018, every new car sold in America is required by federal law to have a backup camera, but tens of millions of older cars still don't have one. And backing up without one is how driveway accidents and parking lot collisions happen. This is the NOCO backup camera, LK3. Installs in 15 minutes. No mechanic. No tools. Connect camera to monitor with included cable. Plug into cigarette lighter. Done. 1080p HD. 149-degree wide angle. 0 blind spots. 6 white LEDs. Crystal clear night vision. IP69 waterproof. Rain, dust, extreme temperatures. 4.3-inch display with parking grid lines. Cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, trailers. Everything. 15,400 reviews. 4.4 stars. $35.99. For visibility every car deserves. Link below. Top 2. Number 2, and I need you to really listen to this one. Number 2, REDTIGER F7 NP4K dash cam. Picture this. Normal day. You're driving. Green light. You go. Someone runs the red. They hit you. Police arrive. You're shaking. The other driver looks the officer in the eye and says, "It wasn't my fault. They came out of nowhere." No witnesses. No camera footage. Just your word against theirs. Insurance goes up. Possible lawsuit. Thousands of dollars. Because you had no evidence. This happens to real people. Every single day. In every city in America. This is the REDTIGER F7 NP4K dash cam. It would have recorded every second of that accident. 4K front. 1080p rear. Both recording simultaneously. Always. Starvis 2 sensor. Most advanced night vision available. 170-degree front. 140-degree rear. Every lane, every car, every license plate. Crystal clear. GPS logs your exact speed and location automatically. G-sensor locks footage the moment any impact is detected. 24-hour parking mode. Records while parked. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Footage to your phone in seconds. No subscription. No monthly fees. Ever. Free 128GB SD card included. Supercapacitor. Works in extreme heat and cold. 18-month warranty. 22,000 reviews. Overall pick on Amazon. $129.99. Let me give you a real number. My neighbor. No dash cam. Rear-ended at a red light. Other driver denied everything. No footage. No witnesses. Insurance deductible alone. $2,400. $129 or $2,400. You choose. This pays for itself the first time you need it. Link is in the description. Number 1. The gadget that saved me from being stranded. Twice. Number 1. NOCO Boost GB40 Jump Starter. I told you at the beginning, this gadget saved me twice. Here it is. The NOCO Boost GB40. Number 1 best-selling jump starter on Amazon. Not this month. For years. First time. Dead battery. Trailhead. No signal. No one coming. Pulled this from my glove box. 4 seconds. Car started. Second time. My wife. Parking garage, late at night, alone. First time she'd ever used it. Called me. I talked her through it in 30 seconds. 6 seconds. Car started. That is why this is number 1. 1000 amps. Starts up to 6.0-liter gas and 3.0-liter diesel. 20 starts per charge. Also a power bank. Charge your phone when stranded. Also a 100-lumen flashlight. SOS and strobe mode. Also ultra-safe. Spark-proof technology. Cannot connect it wrong. Physically impossible. IP65, works below freezing to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 2.4 pounds, glove box size, engineered in the USA, 124,000 reviews, 4.6 stars, 30,000 bought last month. AAA membership, $60 to $80 a year, and you still wait 45 minutes, in the cold, at night, alone, $99.95. One time, no membership, no waiting, ever. Best money I have ever spent on my car. Link is in the description. Those are your 10 actually useful car gadgets from Amazon. Every link is in the description. Organized by number. 5 seconds to find what you want. Before you go, which one of these do you actually need right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped, one like takes 1 second. It helps this channel more than you know. Subscribe for more real Amazon car gadget finds every week. We already found 8 more that didn't make this list. A few of them are even better than number 1. Drive safe. See you in the next one.